Hi Simonetta, my name is Kristen and I'm a physical therapist. From the history you gave me, you've been struggling with a groin strain over the past few months and you're an avid runner and that has been hard for you to get back to. You also mentioned most of the pain is on the right side as well as your right plantar fasciitis has been acting up. Having those two things and being on the same side leads me to think that your nervous system is irritated. You describe the pain as coming from the inside and wrapping around to the outside as well. So I'm going to give you a few things that are going to address that pain, help calm the nervous system down, and then to begin strengthening it a little bit. You absolutely did the right thing by starting to utilize cold packs immediately when the pain was real intense. That's a good idea to continue to reduce the inflammation. What I recommend with cold packs is to put the cold pack on for 10 to 15 minutes 2 or 3 times a day with at least an hour in between. So you'll ice for 15 minutes, wait an hour, ice for 15 minutes. So if the pain begins to get intense again, you can do that. It's also a good way to manage your symptoms so you get a good night's rest. Often I tell people to ice 2 or 3 times before they go to bed. Ice from 7 to 7:15, wait till 8:15, ice again, and then go to bed in the evening. So that will help reduce the pain and inflammation around the joint. A bad sprain and strain can sometimes take longer than a fracture to heal, so be patient. The important part is to fully rehab this so you can continue back to running safely. So I'm going to show you a few stretches. The first one is a butterfly stretch. You're probably pretty used to it, but you're going to do it it stretches both legs at the same time, and you're going to come in here, and your goal is to drop your knees out as far as you can, and you'll feel a stretch right through here in the groin. You want to hold this stretch, lean into it, hold the stretch for 15 seconds. And then after you hold it, you're going to relax out of it and then go into it again. So all the stretches I give you, I'm going to have you hold for 15 seconds. And then relax and do it 2 or 3 times. The next stretch I'm going to have you do is going to stretch the outside of your hip here. You're going to lie on your back. You're going to put one foot over your knee and then pull the knee in towards you. In this one, I'm stretching the outside of my left hip here. Holding it for 15 seconds. Relax. And switch to the other leg. All the stretches I want you to do on both legs as well. And then alternate. You're going to do 2 or 3. Do 3 on each leg, holding it for 15 seconds. Then switch, right over left, and then pull your left leg up towards you. The next exercise that I'm going to give you is a nerve glide. You're going to lie flat on your back. You're going to take a strap of some sort. This is the strap to my robe, often works really good. You're going to put it around the ball of your foot. You're going to extend your leg, pull your toes up towards you, and with a straight leg, you're going to come up until you feel any pain or discomfort. Often people feel it first behind the knee. So what you're going to do is come just short of the pain you feel and go up into the discomfort. And come down and up. And you're going to glide right into that discomfort and come right out of it. If you hold it here, you're going to really stretch and irritate that already inflamed nerve. But just glide it up. With plantar fasciitis, you may feel it in your foot first. You may also feel it in your groin first. Wherever you feel that discomfort or tension, I want you to stop just shy of it, and you're going to glide right into it and out of the discomfort. In, out, in, out. And you'll notice as that nerve loosens up, you'll be able to go further and further up. This will help the plantar fasciitis and also glide that nerve that runs all the way down the leg. So you're going to do this nerve glide for 3 minutes on each leg. So again, I'll show you on the left leg. You're going to put the strap around the ball of your foot, pull your toes up towards you, keeping your knees straight. You're going to go into this discomfort and out, in and out, in and out for 2 minutes. So those two things should address the plantar fasciitis and get the groin stretched out. The next thing I want to do is start strengthening the groin so you can prevent this from happening again. So you're going to take a pillow, and we're going to do just an isometric exercise. Put the pillow between your knees, and you're going to squeeze your knees together, hold it for 5 seconds, and relax. The important part here is that your back is nice and stable, so you're not rocked too far one way or the other. You're going to tighten your abdominal muscles, and you're going to squeeze your knees together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Once you can do 2 sets of 12 in this position without any pain in the groin, you're going to progress to this next exercise. You're going to put both legs straight up in the air and go out and in. And you want to get this control of the adductor and groin muscles here. And then once you can progress to this, you can start doing some exercises standing on one leg. And then that will safely progress you back into jogging. So I hope that answers your question. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us. Be well.